precariously on top of the other boxes.
All right.
What else have we got? Woodland Scenics.
We've got a whole heap of Woodland Scenics, which is generally a lot of the, the foliage.
Foliage?
Yeah, for trains. Foliage.
Good greenage.
Greenage.
Roughage.
Grass. Roughage.
Not roughage.
Oh, it'll be rough when it's going through, I'll tell you that.
Wait, what's
What
this fella? I don't know, go to overhead so people can see what we're waving around.
What are we waving around? Oh, look at that.
What is it?
All right, so
I've got Sparky and the chef in my hot little hand.
I've got Wayne Recker's tow service.
Wayne Recker's.
Yep.
There you go. And this is so you can really personify your layout, isn't it?
Oh, get close up.
So there is
We got
Sparky and the chef.
and the chef.
Well, it's a chef's dog. The chef's dog's got to be pretty happy with all the scraps.
It's the chief, isn't it?
Well, the chief, yeah, sorry.
The chief chef.
The chief chef. Sparky and the chief.
So that's a fire chief, is it?
Yep.
And he's got his spotty
Dalmatian. They love those, didn't they?
Why Dalmatians? Are they from America?
I don't know, because they can smell smoke.
Can they? I can smell smoke.
Can you?
Yeah.
Well, you'd be good on the
Can't
front
smell
of
any now.
You'd be good on the front of a fire truck.
And what do we got here?
What is
the
it?
Recker's truck. All right, so that's Wayne Recker. R without the W, and that's his tow service. And so what does he do? He tows cars. So there's a dude that's getting towed. He's got his hand out. So that's either for slapping him or for shaking his hand for helping him.
Saying hello.
Hi.
Unless he parked in a clearway.
Parked in a clearway. Oh, that's where he's angry.
That's why he's angry. He's got his hand out.
That's
Hey,
right.
Look at the sign,
Put
buddy.
my car back
Look at
there.
the sign. It's not 4:30 yet.
No, that's
Look
right.
at the sign.
Can't be a clearway.
And he goes, wrong time zone. Bloody hell, Siri.
Oh, what have I done there?
I'm not sure.
Oh, I've got half action going.
Is it?
Oh, look at
Oh,
that.
that's new.
It is.
That's unique.
I have to remember that for next time. All right, so we've got some Woodland Scenics. What else we got? Oh,
Now, these are what you don't do with your God Hands or your 9-step snippers.
no.
You don't cut rail with them.
No.
You
But
don't.
you can with these.
You can with those.
These
because
are specific. Okay.
These are specifically for cutting rail.
Super chunky.
Cutting rail and then toenails.
So why do we want to cut rail with these? When you're doing a layout, you've got so much track. You can saw it, but it'll take you forever.
Does
So
it?
these are quite flush cutting to a point where you can cut the rail, like on flexi track.
Yep.
And then
Solder
it'll be
it up.
flush enough. Oh, you don't need to solder it. Just put the fish plates in between it, and there won't be much of a gap there.
Don't you solder it after that?
You just push it together.
Really?
Yeah.
There you go. I thought you had to solder them together.
You don't have to. I mean, soldering, of course, would be a much more permanent joint. There's no chances of getting a bad connection. But most people don't need to solder.
Oh.
Yeah, just push them together. Glue it all together. It's all
No,
good.
I'd solder.
So beefy. Okay, and these are by DCC Concepts.
DCC Concepts.
Really
And that's-
nice big handle.
Well, they got it. Because have you seen that nickel rail?
Oh, nickel's pretty strong.
It's
Super nice.
Not too strong for these.
No. So these are cut through multiple bits of track.
Not much good for doing your Gundam sprues though.
It'll cut Gundam sprue,
But
it would just be a bit agricultural.
agricultural. Anyway, Nen's favourites for a nail.
Yes.
On you
Must have for train layout builders.